Is your Nikon D5600 acting up? Or do you just want to get back to that out-of-the-box, fresh start? Let's get your camera back in perfect working order. First, we'll cover a basic settings reset, perfect for quickly undoing recent changes without a full wipe. Press the menu button to access the main menu. Navigate to the setup menu. It's usually represented by a wrench or a gear icon. Use the multi-selector to highlight it and press the center OK button. In the setup menu, scroll down until you find the reset options. You'll typically see one or more choices related to resetting. For a basic reset, we're looking for reset all settings or something similar. Highlight that option. Your camera will ask you to confirm. Read the prompt carefully. Once you're sure, select yes and press OK. This will restore most of your camera settings to their default values without wiping your custom settings, like custom white balance or picture controls in some cases. Now, for a more thorough factory reset, which is great for troubleshooting or preparing your camera for sale. Ensure your camera is powered on. Again, press the menu button, go to the setup menu. This time, we're looking for a more comprehensive reset. Depending on your firmware, it might be labeled Reset All Settings again, or you might need to navigate to a submenu within Reset. Often, a full factory reset will also reset camera file numbering, which you can usually find within the same reset section of the setup menu. Select the option for a complete reset. You'll see another confirmation prompt, likely explaining that this will return all camera settings to their original factory defaults. You might also see a warning about losing custom settings. Select yes and confirm. Your camera will power cycle, performing the reset. Once it's back on, you'll be greeted with the initial setup screen. Just like when you first unboxed it, you've successfully reset your Nikon D5600.